With this video, we will see the teaching and examination scheme defined for microprocessor course by Mumbai University. The two courses are related to this course. First, CSC 501, which refers to the theory portion of microprocessor, whereas CSL 501 addresses the laboratory work of microprocessor. Now have a look at teaching scheme. For CSE 501, theory 4 works per week are assigned, and for CSL 501, 2 hours per week are assigned, and accordingly 4 and 1 credits are assigned to the theory and laboratory work respectively. Now coming to the examination scheme, 2 internal examinations, each of 20 marks will be conducted in a semester and its average will be considered for final assessment. Written examination of 80 marks for 3 hours will be conducted at the end of semester. So total weightage assigned to the course is of 100 marks. Whereas term work based on assignment, write-up, laboratory outcomes carries 25 marks, as well as syllabus covering practical and oral examination will be there of 25 marks. So CSL 501 carry 50 weightage. That means total weightage is of 150 marks assigned to the course microprocessor. To begin with microprocessor, we must have enough information about digital logic design and analysis as well as data structures. Now here comes the certain course objectives and outcomes. Now the first objective is to make students familiar with basic architecture and instruction set of assembly programming. Another objective is to introduce advanced processor architectures to students. Once we complete the course, the students will be able to describe the architecture of 8086 processor, 80386 processor, 804, 486 processor. Then students will able to interpret the instructions of 8086 and write assembly and mixed language programs. Then students will able to explain the concepts of interrupts. Then students will be able to identify the specifications of peripheral chip. They are able to design the memory interfacing and peripheral interfacing. Now coming to the syllabus. The syllabus of microprocessor course includes 6 modules. First one is the Intel microprocessors 8086 and 8088 architecture. Second, instruction set and programming. Third, informs about 8086 interrupts. Fourth module is all about the memory interfacing and peripheral interfacing. Fifth chapter is about the Intel 80386 processor. And sixth module informs about the Pentium processor architecture. Now here the module 1 belonging topics are mentioned. First is 8086 and 8088 CPU architecture. Second, functional pin diagram. Third, memory segmentation. Fourth, banking in 8086. Fifth, demultiplexing of address and data bus. Study of 8284 clock generator. Study of 8288 bus controller. Then comes the functioning of 8086 in minimum mode and maximum mode. Then timing diagrams for read and write operations in minimum and maximum mode. Now in further videos we are going to see all these topics